Assume having an assistant that not only helps with tasks, but also understands how you work best. That's the idea behind personalized AI workflows. Intelligent systems that adapt to your habits and make your day more efficient. These AI agents observe how you manage your time, tools, and tasks. They learn your patterns, like when you're most productive, how you prioritize work, and how you communicate. Then they build workflows that are tailored to you, not generic templates, but systems that match your unique style and pace. The more you interact with them, the more accurate and helpful they become. Their applications include automate repetitive tasks, suggest smarter schedules, streamline your communication, and help you stay focused, whether you're managing projects, studying, or handling a busy inbox. These workflows adapt to support your specific goals and working style. Personalized AI workflows turn daily chaos into organized progress, making your digital life more efficient and more you. Want to experience AI that truly works your way? Check the link in the description below and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.